Hi friends, welcome back to Quiz Cage. Let's guess the correct spelling of food by its emoji. Let's guess the correct spelling of pizza. Let's guess the correct spelling of burger. Let's guess the correct spelling of sushi. Let's guess the correct spelling of spaghetti. Let's guess the correct spelling of taco. Let's guess the correct spelling of chocolate. Let's guess the correct spelling of pasta. Let's guess the correct spelling of pancake. Let's guess the correct spelling of ice cream. Let's guess the correct spelling of biscuit. Let's guess the correct spelling of sandwich. Let's guess the correct spelling of burrito. Let's guess the correct spelling of lasagna. Let's guess the correct spelling of shrimp. Let's guess the correct spelling of waffle. That's all for today. Comment down how many of correct answers you know. If you like this video, please like and share this video to your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting quizzes.